In this video, we will cover the move command. You can start the move command from the edit ribbon or simply by typing move into the command line. So first, we're prompted to select the entities we want to move. So I'm going to choose these two lines here, hit enter. And now in the command line, I'm prompted to specify a base point. So here I can utilize my point snaps. If I pick an endpoint snap, I can choose the end of this line, and we can see the objects now moving freely with my mouse. Now again, I can utilize my snaps to choose the final position of this move, and in this case, I'll snap it to the center of this circle. If I, for example, want to move a line that's got some points in my database, start my move command. Select my line. And again, I will just pick an endpoint. And maybe I want to move it over here. Now you can see we get a point protection warning because this line had points stored in the database. So you can see the delta northing and delta easting that it's warning me about for point 2, which is at the other end of this line. So I can say accept on that. And again, point number 1 also wants to move, so I can accept that. And we can see that the points have now moved with the line. I may want to move the elevation of a point. So for example, point 3 here, I could start a move command. Pick my point node, hit enter. Choose my base point as 0, 0. And let's say I want to move it up 400 to a final elevation of 500. Type 0, 0, 400. Hit enter. You can see the delta elevation. I'll accept that. Now we've moved up to 500 meters. This line here was just created with no points, and we can see that the elevation at either end of the line is 0. If I start a move command, select this line, choose my endpoint snap, pick the end of the line, turn on my point node snap, and pick this point. We can now see that it's moved up to the elevation of the point I snapped to. So it moved in 3 dimensions, not just 2. That's something to always keep aware of when moving points using snaps. And that's a quick general overview of the move command. Remember, you can utilize your point snaps as well as command line entries for coordinates as well when moving objects.